Hello, teacher. I share my activity task 3, teach tool for world language class. I share step number 2, my meet map. My meet map has relevant information about the use of ICT in the English teaching learning process by identifying the advantage and benefit of technology in the learning process. We can appreciate how fundamental they are because we can improve listening, reading, writing, monologue, and conversation skill. The teaching process today is more pedagogical through the use of technology. As a reflection, I can share that the teaching process has had a favorite transformation at the student level because the technology tools have been a great support in which acquisition of a second language has been a little more practice. Step number 3, I share my activity. From this activity, I put a game through the Quizlet web. I propose them the days of the week and the months of the year. I made a flashcard where I uh, where they can see the writing of the days
Monday,
of the week in English, in Spanish with pronunciation, the student.
March, miracles,
Then the student have the possibility to practice them be means of multiple choice or be making pairs with the correct translation. Evidence for my activity with a student of practice. Thank you, teacher.